periods can be rough.
Excuse me? Being a period is rough. Like that time at school. Kazoo night?
Stop.
Or at your slumber party.
Things are not looking good down there.
Or at summer camp.
Right hand red.
Hi!
Ooh, Twister.
The real problems are the messy period products you've been using. I believe ladies should feel comfortable and free to do whatever they want every single day of the month. Who's with me?
I'm in.
Dad.
For a comfortable, truly leak-free period, you gotta get Ruby Love. Ruby Love is underwear that you can wear on your period. No pad or tampon needed. Yeah, I'm saying you can wear just underwear on your period. Ruby Love gives you maximum protection against leaks. Their patent-pending angle design and dry tech mesh stop all front, side, and back leaks. After each use, just toss Ruby Love into the washer and dryer. Ruby Love lasts up to 3 years. That's roughly 700 pads. Or 800 tampons. Or you can just use Ruby Love and avoid all this waste. Oh, let me get that for you. Ruby Love costs half as much as other period underwear brands. So if you want a leak-free period, click the link to get your Ruby Love period-proof underwear. Need more protection? On extra heavy days, you can insert Ruby Love's reusable pads into the built-in mesh pocket. With Ruby Love, you can feel confident any time of the month. While our first time meeting was traumatic. It's okay! I'm just a period! We're gonna be best friends!
Speaking of periods, what's up, girl?
With Ruby Love, periods aren't that bad.
It's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
My daughter got her period!
I'm a full-grown woman now.
Bring it in. That's right. Let it flow.
Basically, with Ruby Love, you can do anything you love to do while on your period. Ruby Love has cute, leak-free sleepwear, activewear, and swimwear too. Ruby Love also offers a first period kit, which includes a pair of Ruby Love underwear. So your daughter and her period can get along from day one. Women everywhere are learning to appreciate their periods or at least tolerate them. Kristen says, I was a bit skeptical at first, but they work amazingly. I will never switch back to anything else on my period. Have the time of your month. Visit rubylove.com or click the link to get your Ruby Love period wear today. Everyone say leak-free! Leak-free! I wasn't on the guest list, but I was not gonna miss your mom's wedding for the world!